Chapter 18. Fiona apologizes for crying, then hugs me and tells me how glad she is I'm alive. My secret thoughts feel even more selfish. Then she switches gears. Oh, what? I ask with a laugh. Her eyes are enormous and I know what this means. Gossip. Guess who was turning to Gavin for comfort at the memorial service? Turning to him for comfort? So it's someone who was friends with Lucy? No, she totally snapped her. Okay. I looked for clues among the ceiling tiles, hoping she'd just tell me, but Fiona's big into 20 questions and I've only asked one. So it's someone on the team? Her head bubbles like crazy. A sprinter? She shakes her head. Mid-distance? Long distance? Shake. So she does field events? Not. Long jump, high jump, discuss. Shake, nod, shake. It strikes me a lot about Meryl. Yes, she gasps. Can you believe that Meryl Abrams after a guy who's not a joke? Are you sure she wasn't just, mourning Lucy? No way, it was classic Marin on the move. She scrolls. You should have seen her hanging all over him, like she'd die or faint or explode if he didn't hold her together. I heard her say, I can't bear the thought of the horrible day. She puts a tortuous face. Can you believe that? She wasn't even on the bus. Which was true. The meet was an invitational. And Meryl hadn't qualified, something that didn't bother her a bit. Everyone knows that Meryl's on the team, so she can put team participation on her college application next year, and track is the only sport that doesn't cut. Gavin's too smart to fall for that, I tell her. And what happened to Draanen? She shrugs. She got tired of him? Who knows? But Gavin? Talk about switching party affiliations. Fiona's nuts. Gavin may not be a joke, but he is a mayor's son, and he's hot, especially since he grew the chin scruff. Wait, Gavin has chin scruff? She nods. It looks seriously good on him too. This is really lifting my spirits, I grumble. I'm sorry, I'm just telling you because it's so Meryl and so ridiculous, like he's going to fall for her manipulations. She takes a deep breath. So when are you getting out of here? I am sick of school without you. My stomach suddenly tightens. Dad's walked about me going back to school, but I can't picture it. It scares me to think about facing all those people. Seeing everyone walking, watching them hurry up and down steps, knowing that after school all my friends will meet at the track to run. I look away. Dr. West says I'll go home soon, but I don't know about school. My voice drifts off pathetically. So I say I've been thinking that I should do some sort of homeschool program. A homeschool program? Like on the internet? No way. That would be like the worst thing for you. She leans forward. Look, I'll push you. You can do this. At first, I think she means she'll push me to get back to school. Push me to face the world. But the pit of my stomach understands what she really means. You will push me in a wheelchair? Of course. There's no way you can cover the campus on crutches, and it's going to be a while before you get your back right? So I'll deliver you to all your classes. It'll be easy. Lucas has somehow wound up with me, and I find myself hugging him, feeling totally panicked. I barely figured out how to use the bathroom on my own. How will I ever manage school?